and look, and I open the one file which I create recently for our motion. Enscape our motion.
So
Yeah.
I don't have Enscape software, sir. I have installed Lumion.
You can download, is possible for you.
Okay, but I was actually opted for SketchUp, Lumion, and Photoshop. Sir.
Yeah, because this is just a free of cost plugin and it's part
Okay.
of plugin only.
Okay.
Yeah, it's part of plugin.
Can you send the link, sir, to install?
Yeah, sure, sure. I'll send.
Yeah.
Yeah, and okay, this is view, and I delete the light and all. Is don't want to. Yeah. And I click. This is the first scene, the environment, and I want to render this one. And by using the fast and very interesting tool that's called Enscape. So what I have, I'll just start the Enscape, first Enscape capturing. I put over here and a second put over here. Yeah, we'll get the thing easily. Now, when you start the Enscape, you have to think about just whatever your scene style and all. Just click the play button. When you click the play button, the automatically second screen will be started. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, look. The first view of Enscape. When I click the render, you will get the render over there. Now, this is the separate screen and this is the working screen. If you want to zoom in, zoom out to 360, you can use W. Now what I required, you can set this view. I want change the sun direction. So look, what is the shortcut? Of Shift plus right click. You want to sun over here, you want to sun here, here, here. Took the time. I want to 12 o'clock time. Okay. S for backward, W for forward, E, W. I want to render this angle. Okay, it's done. Now I need a create this become a scene. So what I have to do, just click and go to extension, Enscape, and over there create scene option. Yeah, create scene. Okay, so it's automatically created the same scene. And if you want, if I rotate over there, then automatically this will be rotated. So I just click synchronize view, and look, if I rotate over 3D rotation, and if I click, right, and if you want to off synchronization, you can use synchronize.
Sir,
Yeah,
what was the shortcut you told to change the sun direction?
the shift plus right click.
Okay.
Okay, now we are in this angle. Then if you want to change this background, because right now the city background, so you want to go to settings. So over there, one of the option is settings. So I will found down and click this one and go to atmosphere, urban. I don't want to urban, skybox. The skybox, you can add any HDRI file, desert. Yeah, if I rotate, look, down, urban, white cube, white ground. I need forest. It's okay for us. Okay, intensity, background intensity, and direction angle. Okay, then cloud density, you can increase and decrease. When I increase the density, its shadow is automatically down. Okay, then image. If I talking about image, if I auto contrast, so image will be auto contrast. And if you want to set the contrast, highlight, shadow, saturation for color saturation, color temperature, whatever color temperature required, ambient brightness for depth, brightness. I don't want to landscape, don't want to bloom effect. Okay, and yeah, render and exposure. I just use exposure for rendering. Now I am over here. Look, the quality is increased automatically. Okay. Now what I require? I require to change the material, the reflection and all. So if I need the fur, it become a fur. So what I have to do? Click, double click, and click on B. Look, this automatically changes when I type grass. And I go to material, look at the grass, diffuse. If you want to image fade, roughness. The roughness is very important. If I decrease the roughness, you will get the reflection. So I'll just increase the roughness. Not a big deal. Grass setting, the height. And yeah, I just increase this one and decrease the height. Here, look at that. Same time, you have to type grass over here. Otherwise, you just have to select type of graphs. The next, I want to change material table. Again, click. Okay, here over there, look in effect, and increase the little bit metallic, decrease the roughness. When I decrease the roughness, you will get the reflection. Okay, same time, I make it zoom. This one, right? And this color has to be like yellow, and you want to self illuminate. I'll just click self illuminate, and so look, now look the changes over there.
So,
Yeah,
first we should click on the image in the Enscape and then on the SketchUp, or it's reverse?
for I'm not getting what you say.
To change the material, sir.
First, I just select the SketchUp material and
Okay.
pick material type, and yes, we are over there.
Okay.
Okay, now opacity, full reflection. Meanwhile, I want to put any wall material wallpaper. Let's go over there, escape, select the thing, press B, pattern, this one, yeah, this pattern is on this wall, and back side. Okay, and again synchronize and use an escape of the synchronize. The same material I need over there. Escape, double click, B, material, pick, material editor, yeah, and if you want over here, just select, again click on material editor, default grass, carpet, no, I don't want to carpet, I don't want to grass, and you can use this and full metallic. Yes, is visible. The same, if I want to change this bridge, it become a carpet, so I'll just select and make it carpet. Okay, the same time I need change the color of this particular thing. Low roughness. When I decrease the roughness, you will get this thing. And again, we have a glass. Full opacity and full reflection. And if you want to bump, like noisy and all, So you can select, and whatever, if you put any image, any black and white image, so this one, so look, it become bump. Visible? Look at that. Meanwhile, close so this entire thing, and if I click over there, and you will get the input from where mouse speed performance you can set. So don't be worried about that, and just double click and right, and again synchronize and click. Now I need light. So look, how's looking? Good. Now I need light. For light, and just go to an escape object, and I need sphere light. Okay, and sphere light where you want? You want to sphere light inside of this jar. One, two, three. Scale. And again an escape. Meanwhile, I want to spotlight. You can put intensity. Not this one. I want to IS. I just click load IS, and we have a IS light. And if you don't have IS, you can just download. Yeah, this one we have IS light. Desktop and the profile. Whatever profile you use. Meanwhile, uh, want to scale and all. This is in center right now. If I select, I just want to move over there just little bit. Decrease the intensity. Look the effect. Same time, copy control and use copy, multiply by 5. Yeah, multiply by 5. Now you want to change color. The shape is visible. Right? You want to change color, so there is very easy. Just press B. And don't be laugh if I'm using thing. I want to this color. Just select and yeah. Look, the color is changed. Right? And again, an escape. And meanwhile, if you want to linear streets light, so again we have a good light source, a rectangular light or disk light. I don't want to risk and rectangular. I need a linear light. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Anji, click over there and linear light. Just rotate, move up, and you want to scale. So for a scale, don't be a scale, just make it length. Okay, click and escape. Got it? So the part in Enscape, we have synchronized, we have this one, and now the rendered part is very important. So there's three type of render: one walkthrough, one 360, and view. So first I'll just show the view. Take a screenshot. No, I don't want. I want to batch render because we already make it one scene, the scene one, and make it rendered. Okay, and click on desktop 001. Yeah, and escape rendered. Wait for a second. And go to desktop 001 and look. Look, how's it? Look at the render, right? Apart from that, we have some more option. Like no, I want to some more library. So we have assist library, and that's 2,400 plus object, and I'm using lamp. I want to this one. If you want to put, yeah, I can put over here. Look, stand lamp and this one. Okay, look. If I click an escape scan, yeah, we'll get. So we have a good thing, and Then next is 360 rendered. If I click render, panorama rendered, and in material line if you type water, so it behave like water. If you type glass, it behave like glass. If you type paint, it behave like paint. Carpet is behave like carpet. So we have this entire thing. It's just a few seconds more. Yeah, it's done. And when it will be done, you have to click manage and upload and just double click and upload. And just use upload. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it will be uploaded. And now I'm click, and there's a link. If you I share with you, you can easily open because I upload the online for 360. And look, okay. And I'm sharing this link with you so you can open at your place easily for this rendered part. Look, you can try to open. And apart from that, we have a next and important part is video thing. So look, I'll just move forward, and yes, I want to render. And in terms of render, we have press K for video add frame. You can move till over here, add frame, down backward, add frame, you can move, add frame. Now play. So I don't want this animation. What I want a very smooth animation. So look, animation way. Start from over here. Again K and just delete. Remove all. Add frame. Add frame and duration. I need 4 seconds. Then rotate. And add frame. So we have, and just put 4 and preview. Okay, and you want to time, so just double click, and in morning it's like this time. Apply. In second frame the time is this. Apply. And in evening is this one. Let's apply. Now back and preview. Look, each and every part is animated. And if you want to, no, I don't want to time editing, so you can just select and off the time. Apply. Next frame of the time. Apply. Next frame of the time. Apply. Use back. Preview. Okay, this fluctuate light fluctuation, no problem, we'll sort out the fluctuation. So just go over there and select the light part 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, move bit of down. This much only. Again go over there and whatever, I'll just preview. Look, it won't be fluctuate now. Now make it video. Again, easy part. First render the video where I want to desktop on 001 01 video. Save. And render will start and you will get the walkthrough. Look, the video is very fastest rendered. And after that, I am just go desktop, open 001 01 walkthrough. Look, look at that. Right? So, and this is the view. Look at the view. This one is view. I'm using over here with bump map. Put the reflection, there is light, some light over here. Okay,